What's better than hanging tapestry on the wall? That's right, turning them into pants. Winter is coming and I need more items to cover my tush, so I went to the fabric store and bought any fabric I could find for my master plan. Come along with me on an ankle-biting adventure into the world of stitches and witches, and let's make some tapestry pants.
Whimsical. I'll be honest, it's more the whimsy effect.
Nerdy prudes must die. Nerdy prudes must die. Nerdy prudes must die.
There's this interesting, cute, random as hell animation I saw on YouTube recently that was really cool. It had, I don't get it. It was like a whole thing about like, I guess like the musical name is Nerdy Prudes Must Die, and these nerds kill their school bully because they got pushed too far, and now the bully has the power to be a demon that's taking revenge on them. I don't know which side to root for, but welcome! It's the Halloween season, or the Halloween haunty season. You've probably already seen my cauldron purse video. Well, it's time for another. I realize I'm saying another, but honestly, this is not a spooky, scary subject. It's just a autumn subject. But oh well. Yes, so I am actually sitting right now upon this wonderful tapestry throne that I found at a thrift store recently, and it was so freaking cute. It's like a little saying about the daughter. Sorry, I had to reread it. The daughter, basically relationship of like a healthy relationship, or how a mother sees her daughter in a healthy way. And I really like it, and my mom really likes it. And I decided that I'm going to make pants out of it. Why would I be destroying this beautiful tapestry to make pants? It's for malicious reasons. I'm jealous. I'm so freaking jealous. My younger brothers have tapestry pants, and I don't know about you, and if you haven't seen them, I'm gonna show you a shot real quick because they're freaking cool, and they look really comfy, and they are comfortable from what they've told me, and I want tapestry pants. I want cool, fluffy pants, and what better way to have cool, fluffy tapestry pants than to show off how cool of a daughter I am. And also, I just think they're really whimsical. I'll be honest, it's more the whimsy effect. I just think they look really whimsy, so. Especially with the little tassels on the side. I like the little tassels. So with that being said, I'm going to sit down and actually craft these pants. To start off, my first plan of action is to go ahead and make the pattern, then to take that pattern. It's basically a pattern I've based off of all of the other pants I've worn before. Very comfortable, chill, like especially the string and tie kind of vibe. Make the pattern off of that. Lay it out and see kind of how the layout of the pants is going to lay, because I'm trying to keep the verbiage in the middle on the front of the pants so that it's readable, but I don't know how to do that because it is kind of cursive. So it's kind of, I don't want to lose any of the letters. So this is going to be a challenge. I'm going to try to keep them on the front or the back. I don't know. I haven't decided yet whether to keep it on the front or the back of the pants, but. And then, of course, these beautiful, very gorgeous, I don't know what flower this is. I thought it was rose. It is definitely not a rose. It's giving persimmons. I don't know. It's a pretty flower. They're really gorgeous flowers that have been like embroidered all around the edges. And do not worry, this is definitely not a tapestry / blanket that someone's grandma made. I'm 100% sure that this sucker was made in like a factory or something. Maybe it was, you know, someone made it for their grandma or mom or daughter, but they didn't make it by hand. So don't worry, I'm not destroying anyone's family heirloom that I found at the thrift store, which if it was, also kind of messed up. Why would you get rid of your family heirloom and throw it away in the thrift store? It's kind of mean. I don't like that. But for me, it's kind of cute. So yeah, gorgeous flowers on the side / edge / outer ring / corner. I'm going to take that pattern, and because of the tassels, I really want to keep the tassels. That's my goal and plan for this entire process. I want these goddamn tassels. So those will definitely be on the outer edge of the pants, while the wording / verbiage will hopefully be on the inner side of the pants. Now, I don't exactly know how to do this, because it's kind of the words. I don't know. We're going to figure this out. I'm going to start laying out the actual pattern and see what the pants look like, and then we'll go from there. I'm back. I tried to put the pattern. I tried to put the pattern on the tapestry, but I realized if I set up the pattern on the tapestry, it's going to cut off the words in a way that I don't think it'll actually be recognizable. And I don't want to do that. So instead, I might change my mind like I always do and see if I can actually fit it on the edges. Like make the pants out the edges and take out the middle part with the words, the daughter part. And maybe I can turn that into like a cute little jacket or something. And it'll be like a two-piece or something, because this is not working. This is not working at all. And then I'll just have pretty roses going down my leg. Hopefully. We're gonna try that. We're gonna try that instead. Let's go. Alright, I tried to figure this out, and I may not have done a good job. So I'm just gonna start cutting, because if I keep focusing on too much, the day is gonna be open and I'm gonna be upset. So we're just gonna... Yeah.
When sewing, a good tip I like to use is that if you have a fabric piece that is hard to get through the machine, use the flathead mini screwdriver that comes in your machine to feed the fabric through. It'll make it so much easier. So, when pinning the fabric down, I made sure to keep the tassel edge perfectly aligned with each other, since I wanted the edges to look thicker with the extra layer. Now, I'm not going to pretend and act like I know what the name of this stitch is, but when it comes to securing the loose fraying yarn and type fabric into place, using this stitch did a fantastic job.
Okay, this is the end of the pants, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the end and flip it inwards and then stitch like a flat line stitch. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm going to stitch it down, because obviously it's fraying, but also because I need it to fit a little bit better. Alright, I'm halfway there and the sun is going down. But so far, so good. I've finished stitching in the inner lining with that stitch I showed you earlier. Inner lining was the outer lining, but I top stitched it all the way down. And then I stitched the inner side. I just did the regular, right side's in. And now I'm going to start... Sorry, gimbal. I'm going to start stitching the... Okay, so don't ask me how, but the sound for this part of the video is corrupted, so just know that I wanted to stitch the inner pant seam, and that I was trying to be careful because no matter how or what I do, this fabric won't stop fraying all over my floor. And then me desperately realizing how badly I need an overlocking machine to stop fabric like this from stopping me from living my crafting dreams. Okay, so these are the pants so far. I have not stitched, the sides are still kind of open because I don't know why I did that. The sides are still kind of open because I still need to add in the pockets, but I don't think I can add in the pockets because it's so freaking tight. They're cute. Do not get me wrong. These pants are really freaking cute. I like them a lot. The problem child is one of two things. One, this flower is like more over my thigh, which I like, and this one's more to the side. I don't care about that as much, so it's okay. But my problem child is that it's really tight on my thigh. Like, they're super tight on my thigh. Like, I can't pull my pants any higher than this. And it's loose around here because I wanted it to be like a drawstring, but it's way too tight around my freaking thigh. And I'm like, damn, that was not my intention. I wanted them to be really comfortable like sweatpants so I could just bend my leg. But I can't, like, I can do it, but I barely can bend my legs. So I might have to just cut this up and use the material. Like, now I'm like contemplating of seam rip it all the way down and then just add an extra layer of fabric because I was gonna like use that on the back of a jacket, but these ain't comfy. These ain't comfy at all, and I need at least one outfit from these freaking pants. Forget two, I need at least one pair. I'm just mad because I literally purposely went out of my way to make the pattern a little bit more tighter by like cutting off a little bit of excess in the inner crotch area, thinking that, oh, this is a little too wide, let me make it more like my stretchy sweatpants, when in reality, dum-dum, of course you need to make extra space. That's why you gave it extra space, because it's not stretchy like your stretchy sweatpants. So basically, I'm stuck with these. Again, they're very cute. I like how they look. I really like how they look, but I have no space for pockets right now, and also they're way too freaking tight on my thigh. So I'm gonna go back to the drawing board. We're gonna seam rip it up, and then add some extra fabric in the inseam, and then hopefully from there we can kind of fix some of the problems.
When adding the extra pants material, I have to be very careful since the scrap fabric I have left is not only not enough, but also has an odd shape that could alter the shape of the pants if I'm not careful when cutting. When I did the breakdown of my brother's pants, there is a set of drawstrings attached on the front so that the pants could be adjustable, but all I have is elastic and this stretchy scrap fabric I got from an old cosplay that I wanted to make sure that I used so it wouldn't end up in a landfill. I noticed the black material creates this nice line of separation that helps add as an accent onto the rug-like texture and gives a bit of a streetwear effect, if I do say so myself. Okay, good. Did I start recording? All right. Look how freaking long this band is. Look how long this band is. This sucker's taller than me at this point. Wait, I don't even think it matters because it's going to just face track me, but get out of the way, chair. It's taller than me, y'all. All for the stupid pair of pants. This was only supposed to be a one... Yeah, this was only supposed to be a one-day creation. This was supposed to be something simple and easy. These are the pants so far. I've attached the his little hole slash bottom. The bottom of listen here. Don't quiet. No, it's just the bottom of the pants, okay? The little bottom of the pants. I got the words on the back because I gave up. Flowers on the front. And I also added in pockets. I'm sorry, I didn't have time to record it. But it's like, you add pockets to anything. But look at the pockets. Look at the pockets, yes. But hopefully this will be good enough. And then once I have this band, I can be done. Now, mind you, I also, let me be quick about this, have this. This is a very large 2-inch? This is like 2 inches. 2-inch elastic band that's going to be going around my waist on the inside of Mr. Slinky over here. Probably covering the microphone. Mr. Slinky over there. So this will be inside of this, and then this will be around my waistband. I'm going to make this a little bit tighter so that I can actually like scrunch my waist so that it's on my waist and then it goes out to the pants. And hopefully I'll be able to do the reveal soon. Damn, the amount of like yarn slash... Hold on, I gotta show you guys this. Hold on. Look at that. Like, it doesn't look like a lot. Don't mind the pants. It doesn't look like a lot, but there's a crap ton of like clippings and pieces of like the yarn slash... I don't know what else it is. Like yarn slash material from that guy. It's everywhere. It's all over my office. Don't mind that corner. All over my freaking office. It's everywhere. I'm screaming. Also, don't mind what I just showed you 5 seconds ago. You didn't see that. Future Kuro, please edit that out. That's for a future video. Anywho, let's get on to the last bit of stitching so that I can go to bed.
There are many many Oshis, but the debate is simple. Why is a
Look at that. Like, it doesn't look like a lot. Don't mind the pants. It doesn't look like a lot, but there's a crap ton of like clippings and pieces of like the yarn slash. I don't know what else it is, like yarn slash material from that guy. It's everywhere. It's all over my office.
And last but not least, instead of flipping the band inside out, I take the outer stitch edge and attach it to the right side of the tapestry fabric so that we can have a clean seam line. And then I simply hand stitch the waistband close. And now let's get to the reveal.
Okay, we're finally at the end of the video. So, all that to say, these are my pants. These are my sweet leather pants. They're not leather. It's a Yu-Gi-Oh joke. A Yu-Gi-Oh bridge joke. I'm just here. But I hope you enjoyed watching this video as you came along with me for this sad, crude, terribly annoying process of making these pants. Yes, so all I have to say, good things that I liked about the pants, they're cute. They came out really cute, they're very comfortable, and they're large and like big waisted belt, as you can see, that I wanted. Not so favorite thing about the pants, I should have just taken the L when I saw the chance and just literally had cut it how I originally thought I was. Unfortunately, like I said earlier, hopefully I said earlier, I cut the pattern to be a little bit more smaller so that I wouldn't cut up the words, but then I unfortunately regretted that choice because later on down the line, one, this is a tapestry material. It is not stretchy at all in the slightest. So any give, any movement that this sucker has, that has to be with, and that was definitely a learning moment for me. It did not go how I wanted it to, but I still was able to make through. I had to cut up these pants a couple of times to be able to do that, but it still came out cute. I don't actually hate the words on the inside of the legs. It's giving a little bit more of like mystery and like, ooh, I wonder what was written on it, even though you cannot read it anymore. It's not even visible, but it doesn't matter. It's aesthetically pleasing. But yeah, those are the goods and pros and cons and goods and bads of these pants. So far, I hope I can keep wearing them. Oh, did I even get a chance to show off my freaking pocket? I'm very happy with the pockets. I love me some pockets. So yeah, I just hope if it can survive going into the washing machine, it'll survive my wear of it. And hopefully you'll see these pants in future videos. Hopefully. But anywho, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have subscribed and liked this video. I can't wait to see you on our next fantastical journey where I'm just reminiscing in the reality of what I'm doing. But anywho, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate everything, and I hope you have yourself a fantastic, wonderful, freaking amazing, stupendous mother flippin' day.